Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be setting our makeup. I'm here fresh faced, but I'm going to get off, do my skin work, then come back and I'm going to show you how you can set your face and it stays matte for a long period of time. I'm not going to say all day, but for a long period of time. So if you're interested in that, keep on watching. So I'm done with my face and now we are going to be setting our makeup. To set my makeup, I use 3 powders. I use a translucent powder and this is the Coty Airspan. Then I use 2 face powders. These are pressed powders. This is Fit Me in the shade Natural Beige. And this is again Fit Me in the shade Espresso. So I'm going to be using these two and also the Airspan. But first, let me get the creases out. For me, I start with a pressed powder to set my face before the loose powder. So I just get this, put my brush in there, and then press into my skin. I do this for all the parts that I've highlighted. So it's the forehead, the chin, and my nose. So then afterwards, I set my contour. And I'm going to be using the Fit Me in the shade Espresso. I just tap and then dust slightly. My contour is done. Now we are going to set my blush. And for the blush, you see that pink area, slightly warm pink area. I'm going to be using this, and it's the Kiss Beauty blush. Then when that is all done, I'm going to set the whole of my face, and that's where the Airspan comes in. I get the Airspan and get my sponge in there. See, it has product. Then I work the product inside. Afterwards, I just press. This is a translucent powder, so it's going to set my makeup, but it's not going to add any color. And I set everywhere. Like, I use this to set everywhere. And I'm just pressing in. I'm not doing anything else, just pressing in. Yes, I even set under here with it. Like, I'm pressing the powder into the skin. After I'm done, I get my powder brush and tap the excess powder that's remaining on the skin. So there, my lovelies, this is how I set my face. So let me come back and show you the finished look. So here I am done with my makeup, and this is what I came up with. I hope you like it. And as you can see, my makeup is still matte but beautiful. I set it, I sprayed it with a finishing spray and a matte spray because I wanted something matte. And yeah, it's just really holding on pretty well, if I say so myself, and I actually do love it. I do love it. So I hope you've learned something from this, and I hope to see you in my next video. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Like, I reply to every comment that is on my video. So show your girl some love. Bye bye.